Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Let's have a seat. So, how are you?
I'm doing well, ma'am. Thank you. I appreciate the opportunity to interview with your company.
So, tell me about yourself.
I'm Sherilyn Naigan, 20 years of age. I live at Mapandanman, Tarlac, currently taking of Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in HRM. My hobbies are dancing, cooking, and singing.
So, let's start. Can you talk me through your most significant professional achievement?
Of course, in my previous role, I lead a team to implement a new digital marketing strategy that resulted in a 30% increase in online sales with 6 months. I collaborated closely with the marketing and IT teams to ensure a seamless transition.
That's impressive, Ms. Naigan. How do you approach challenges in the workplace, and can you provide an example of a time when you overcome a difficult situation?
When faced with challenges, I believe in staying calm and analyzing situation before in action. In a previous role, our project deadline was moved up unexpectedly, and I recognized the team's priorities, delegated tasks effectively, and we successfully met the deadline without compromising quality.
Your problem-solving skills are evident. Why do you believe you are the right fit for these positions, and what do you hope to achieve in this role?
I am confident that my experience in digital marketing and my strategic approach to problem-solving align well with the requirements of the position. I am excited about the opportunity to contribute to your team's success and to further develop my skills in a dynamic environment.
Thank you for sharing that, Ms. Naigan. Before we conclude, do you have any question for me about the company or the role?
Yes, I would like to learn more about the company's long-term goals and how this position contributes to achieving them.
So our company is focused on expanding our digital presence and enhancing customer engagement. This role plays a crucial part in driving our online marketing strategies to support these goals.
That aligns well with my career aspirations. Thank you for the insights, Ms. TL.
It has been a pleasure speaking with you, Ms. Naigan. We will be in touch regarding the next steps in the interview process.
Thank you, Ms. TL. I look forward to the opportunity to potentially join your team.